boy. Hey, bruh, back with another video. As I said in the last two videos, memberships. You know what I'm saying, sub up, become a member, man. You can read the perks. I'll tell you everything. You know what I'm saying. Level 3 memberships, $10.99. You know what I'm saying. Guaranteed song reaction, no matter what. Or
we do not care.
Lives every Wednesday, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Today we have Okashii, yeah, Okashii. There we go. Man, I got it right. Okashii elephant reaction. Boom, 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 boom. Appreciate the reaction. That boom, boom, boom right there. You know what I'm saying? That might become part of the membership, man. I don't know. I might be.
We do not.
Get straight into the video, man. I'm already liking the beat. Fuck with the vibe.
Just to hear the tick and talk. Got my schedule way too big.
Oh, we got CC this time. Let's go.
Just to hear the tick and talk. Got my schedule way too big. Little bitch for your fashion it. $20,000 for your plastic ass. She gon' back for another bag. 68 for your flatty ass. How the fuck did you model that? I met a bitch dance tango. Her blonde hair got tangled. My chick came from overseas and she don't leave me a shingle, I don't slide with these goons and robbers. All the bitches licking hella hollow. Put that 40 for my pink gelato. Yeah, I'm about to take a trip Milano, bitch. Fuck all your drop top. Hit the club, hit
Okay, my heart. God.
That bitch dance tango. Her blonde hair got tangled. My chick came from overseas and she don't leave me a shingle, I don't slide with these goons and robbers. All the bitches licking that.
I ain't like the lyrics. He just ain't anything, it seems like. But you can say anything with the flow there. When it sound good, you can say whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? You saying whatever you want, it sound good.
Put that 40 for my pink gelato.
Put my 40 for my pink gelato.
All the bitches licking hella hollow. Put that 40 for my pink gelato. Yeah, I'm about to take a trip Milano, bitch. Fuck all your drop top.
I like that part.
All night, big boy thugging whole life, I don't share that all mine. Your friend talk too much. I'm about to shut it all off and check a bitch downtown. They don't wait, they all like, boy, yeah, right.
Yeah, hop in the booth and personal rack. I'm gonna lock the rack.
What the fuck? That nigga sound like Kendrick.
And they don't wait, they all like, boy, yeah, right.
Yeah, hop in the booth and personal rack. I'm gonna lock the rack like I draw all about.
I lied, no he don't, but
come to flow, Spurs and John ain't got a point. There's on the pants on me.
Who this? I don't know.
Silvers play like Pokemon, I got rules. I'm making that hot feel like I'm moving. Hand on me, I ain't lazy. Booming, quiet place, smoking stank. Not a day, my cunning folks. M&M's, my pockets, Asian, getting back with Benjamin.
But too much, so bitch, I'm out.
Yeah, I just sound, I don't know what he's talking about. It just sounds like he just saying whatever. Rhymes.
When I call me Mary Jones, diamonds, cubic coat, electric tone, sit that Arizona. Time bitches where I go, fast for VV diamonds, where I go, Mary go, fire roll, like a pro, time roll. I'm the only that I know, Pablo.
Yeah, nah, he just saying whatever rhymes.
Yeah. Them brothers said they know, them bitches said they know, them brothers said they know, them bitches said they know, them brothers said they know. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah.
Wow, okay. Was that it?
Yeah, show you what you're saying and plain, baby. More like your full there, young soul, baby. Ooh, what you saying? Now my do one check. Never let my be spending on a date.
Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Might have been the best part of the whole music video.
Never be spending on a date.
Hey.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, at least sometimes I look to pie goo. Yeah, baby, stop the fucking double check.
Kind of part of the music video, the editing.
Baby, don't stop riding me, don't stop riding. Baby, keep on moving and keep on grooving. Don't think, baby, you don't think twice. Something goes wrong when I do it right. Cause she be riding still like that pony. I keep it honey, there no downtime.
I thought this nigga was clapping shit. I thought I was scared for a second. I was about to say GG's, man, to go on my channel again. Oh my lord.
Still like that pony. I keep it honey, there no downtime when this boy think it's funny. I keep my step big like the elephant. I'ma feed her abundant. Here, cut this all up. Why the fuck are they frying? Little bitch.
Okay, I mean, that was that. To be honest, the beat was fire. The beat kind of carried. There's one verse right here carried though, for sure. This right
All the bitches licking hella hollow.
Hollow.
Put that 40 for my pink
Pink
gelato.
gelato.
Yeah, I'm about to take a trip,
Milano.
Milano, bitch. Fuck all your drop top.
Yeah, that part with the beat drop carried. 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5. It really just sounded like they was mainly just saying whatever to rhyme. In my opinion, to be honest. But it didn't sound bad. Excuse me, moi. It didn't sound bad at all. So that's why I'm giving it 6.5. Now I'm trying to see if these niggas got an instrumental. They got an instrumental. I already show y'all how it's done. That's not instrumental.
Mustard, you're way too big. Little bitch for that pony.
Yeah, they don't got an instrumental, man. I was about to show you how to really get down the beat. Feel me? But yeah, that's it. Yeah, I appreciate the reaction. Recommend me some other stuff to react to because I am trying to get monetized. You know, all these songs are getting demonetized. That's very unfortunate. So, recommend me some uncopyrighted stuff. Maybe some other stuff besides songs too. I want to react to everything. I want to play some games. I want to do the whole boatload. I'm saying the whole everything, the whole jig. But yeah, man. Appreciate the reaction, man, and appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Hit that like button, subscribe, bro, to 2K, and I'm out.